In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll in Google Forms. Open your browser and head to Google Forms. If you're signed into your Google account, you'll land right on the Forms home screen. Look for the option to start fresh and choose Blank Form. This gives you a clean slate and makes sure every setting you apply is intentional for your poll. First, give your form a clear, descriptive name. Click the title field at the top and type something that tells voters exactly what this is, like Team Outing Vote or Where Should We Travel? If you want, you can add a short description just beneath it to set expectations, such as the voting deadline or any rules about how many choices are allowed. Now it's time to write your poll question. In the first question field, type your prompt. For example, where should I travel? To make this a standard single-vote poll, ensure the question type is set to multiple choice. If it isn't, use the drop-down on the right side of the question to switch it. Multiple choice keeps voting simple and limits people to one selection. Add your answer options in the option fields that appear below the question. Type the first option, press Enter to add the next, and continue until you've listed all the choices you want to include. Keep your options concise and distinct so voters don't get confused. If you like, you can include an other option to let people suggest an alternative, but that's optional. Before you move on, make sure no one can skip the question. Toggle the required switch at the bottom right of the question so it turns on. This is important for polls. Without it, someone could submit the form without actually voting. When you're ready to share your poll, look to the top right and click the button to publish or send your form. A sharing dialog will appear. Proceed through the prompts so you can generate a link to your poll. In the link section, enable the shorten URL option. This creates a cleaner, more manageable link that's easier to paste into chats, emails, or social posts. Finally, click Copy to place that link on your clipboard. That's it, your voting poll is live. Share the link with your audience, and you're ready to collect responses. As votes come in, you can open the Responses tab in Google Forms to see visual summaries and totals at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy running your poll with confidence.